Hi guys, this is an introductory short video with some interesting facts about Russian language for those who is just considering or planning to learn Russian as a foreign language. So keep calm and говорите по-русски. It is usually a big challenge when you start learning something new or when you put yourself outside of the comfort zone. That's why I like this quote by Alexander Pushkin. Вдохновение – это умение приводить себя в рабочее состояние. Inspiration is an ability to put yourself in a working condition. My inspiration that I regularly use to tune in into the working mode is listening to classical music. I hope you also have an inspiration to keep up with consistent work on a new skill such as a foreign language. Anyways, what is the best method to start speaking in foreign language? It's usually a combination of understanding the grammar concepts in a sentence, composition, morphology, syntax, etc., and securing that understanding with grammar exercises. Reading is vital to acquire important vocabulary and start using it in conversation. Using of audio and video materials also stimulates your communicative skills and enhances your learning process. But let's talk about some Russian language facts. As you probably already know, it was an official state language in the Soviet Union. People from all 15 Soviet republics used to speak Russian. In 1991, the year when USSR collapsed, the total population was estimated around 293 million. The Soviet Union was an ethnically diverse country with more than 160 distinct ethnic groups who spoke Russian. Russian language is considered the most widespread language in Eurasia, the most spoken out of all Slavic languages, and the seventh most spoken language in the world. Now, what are the differences between Russian and English languages? First of all, they come from the different language families. So, Russian is part of the Slavonic branch of Indo-European languages. English is West Germanic language that was first spoken in early medieval England and is now a global lingua franca. Now, Russian language is based on the Cyrillic alphabet, whereas English on Latin. When we compare both of the alphabets, Russian has 33 letters, 10 vowels, 21 consonants, 2 signs, soft and hard sign, and 43 main sounds, 6 vowels, 37 consonants. Whereas in English, we have 26 letters, 12 vowel sounds, 21 consonants, and 8 diphthongs. Okay, Russian language is synthetic language. English is analytic language. So in terms of the morphology and syntax, most of the work in the Russian sentences is made by the word endings. Each word has its own form. Russian language uses a lot of prefixes, suffixes, inflections, and it can express in one word what analytic language, like English, has to use 3 words. An analytic language organizes words and grammar by strict word order instead of inflections or word endings that show grammar. The main role in a sentence plays the verb predicate. The meaning depends on the verb form. So Russian language has 3 persons, 2 numbers, singular and plural, 3 genders, masculine, feminine, and neuter, and no article. So nouns, adjectives, pronouns, numerals, participles in Russian language do decline. So we have 6 cases in Russian language: nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, instrumental, prepositional case. We have 3 classes of noun declension. There are short adjectives that do not decline. Verbs conjugate according to the person, number, tense, voice, and mood. There are 2 classes of verb conjugation: 3 tenses, past, present, and future, and 3 moods: indicative, subjunctive, and imperative. Verbs have 2 aspects: imperfective and perfective. In Russian, we have 4 forms of participles: present active, past active, present passive, and past passive. Short participles corresponding to 2 passive forms of regular participles do not decline. So, in Russian language, adverbial participles that do not decline exist in present and past forms. Word order in Russian language is flexible.